OMG, hello. Ayan na, Boss Rodolfo. Shout out. Shout out. So, ayan, mag-open pa ako ng mga first tuloy kasi basta yung first. Ng mga Christmas gifts. Kaso yung iba, hindi ko alam kung ma-open ko. Baka yung iba nakatago na dun sa drag room. Ito lang yung mga nakastock dito sa labas na mga ilan-ilan. Gusto ko na rin sanang buksan kasi kawawa naman sila dito. Like, kawawa. Nakabalanda lang sila dito. So, natulog ba ang happy birthday, thank you. Ayan, hi Cleo Denial, huwag muna tayo book ngayon. Tomorrow na lang or 28. Pahinga ka muna, i-celebrate mo muna yung Christmas mo with your family. So, sa akin ba to? For Doc Micah pala to. And for Micah. Hindi ka nagbubukas ng gifts, Micah ha. So, mag-open tayo ng gifts. Maraming salamat po in advance sa mga nag-gift sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung nandyan kayo, pero yeah, let's open some gifts. Let's open some gifts. Okay, ito ay chocolates. I believe ito ay para sa lahat kagabi. Pero dahil sa sobrang busy siguro namin kagabi, forgot ko na ipamigay ito sa mga bakla. So yeah, thank you sa nagbigay. Nawawala yung note. Sino man po nagbigay ito, thank you. Ipapamigay ko sa mga girls. Charing. Pero thank you. Si Robin ba yun? Yes, ito siya. Nakiki-open siya ng gift. Hi! Don't you worry like I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now. See you tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Kita yung putotoy mo. Thank you. Diyan ka lang, mag-open ako ng gifts. So, meron ng next dito, Jungkook. Kung kaya naman to galing, thank you. It's Jungkook. Hindi ka naman bias masyado si Jungkook. Ang bias ko ay si V, pero thank you. Isa-isa natin. Wow. Thank you. May stickers. FB tan ba ako? For Kevin ba to? O yan, di ba? Hindi pala para sa akin. Sabi ko ni. Para kay Baby Cakes pala to. Thank you, Myra, for reminding me. Hi, Leslie. Thank you. Ayan, so ito na lang. Ayun, sure na para sa akin. Ito, I believe, galing to kay Belle kasi it's Coles. Ito yung sa mga favorite namin na cookies from Australia. Tama, it's from Belle. Thank you. So, kapag pupunta ako ng Australia, bibili ako ng maraming ganito. So, meron ding Tim Tams, of course. And, syempre, meron ding Cadbury. Thank you. So, niyayalala ko na syempre, may keychain din na kangaroo. Hindi yan toy. So, makita lang ng laruan. Kala niya para sa kanya agad. Itong batang to. Okay, next. No! This is from Julia, what's my name? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Nakita mo lang ni Iba yung yes, napag siya kanina. Robin, no, hindi to toy, masyado itong maliit for you. Ayan, kung may gusto mo magregalo kay Robin, yes, may push sa mga toys na maliit. Ayan, it's Moscato. Thank you. Next time, meron pa ulit. From Nat Benab. Si Natalie ba to? From Nat. Thank you. Another alak to, I believe. Yeah. It's a barefoot melot. Thank you, Nat. Salamat. Hindi ko kayo. From Nat. May notebook pa. From Nat Benablo. Thank you. Parang maraming notes. Next, ito magkakasama siya sa isang paper bag para magkahiwalay ito, alam ko. This is from, hindi ko alam kung kanino siya galing. Basta ang sabi, handle with care. Too precious. Ayan ito. Ito pa yung pangalan. So it's from Elaine. Hi Leslie. It's from Elaine. Maraming salamat. May nakita kayong drawing ko nagdala. Sige. This is from Elaine. Ano to? Ano yan, Robin? Gusto mo bukas ng regalo? Ooh. Ayan. Mayroon akong toilet bowl. Charing. Thank you, Elaine. Cute. Next. From Blue Magic. Wait lang, may akong papansin. It's from Riza. Ano to? Keeper Secretive Minifigures. Uy! Ito yung parang angel. Ano tawag sa kanya? Keeper. Sunny Angel. Thank you sa Sunny Angel. Nakabukas. Nakasarado pa to, di ba? Oy, thank you. Saan ito bubuksan? Thank you kay Simon and Riza. Sa phone ba ito nilalagay? Thank you. Super cute. Ay, dito. Hindi siya dapat. Robin. Pag nato ni Robin, kakainin ito na Robin. So, lagi ko muna sa box. So, thank you. No. Meron pa sa loob. Ayan, may picture pa kami ni Riza. Salamat, Riza. Tapos meron pang heart. From Blue Magic. Oh, may rosary. Numbered stone ay July. Ruby. Thank you. Sana ako din BB cakes mo, ha? Thank you. Ito ko. Happy holidays. Next, it's from... Ano nakalagay? Ano to? Oh. Ang galing. Dito yung picture ko sa Instax. Walang nakalagay kung kayo galing. Pero may chocolate. May chocolate. Thank you. Kung kayo naman po to galing, maraming salamat. Di ka naglagay ng name. Nakalagay lang precious. Pero thank you. Next. Hindi naman to gift eh. Pero ito ay picture from sa recent na ginawa ko. Basta. Ayan, makikita nito soon. Sa big screen. Big screen! Ayan. Secret muna. Si Nanay Mildred at si... Shit ang pangalan dyan, baby. Yung baby girl, nakalimutan ko. Si Erin to eh. Pero I forgot her character name. Ayan. May anak na po ako. Charing! Ito yung bago pa akong jowa. Charing! Hindi ko to. Ito. I want to show this to you guys. Ito ay bigay ni MJ. I remember her name. Nandun siya sa aming taping, shooting. Yes! Thank you! Salamat! Nakahuli. Ito yung itsura ko dati nasa Japan ako. Nag-picture ako. Pinost ko sa Instagram. Hindi to toy. Si Robin, nakakita na naman. Toy. Hindi yun toy. Hindi yun toy for you. Okay? Okay, next gifts. Ito parang kagabi lang to binigay. Kasi I remember this flower. Someone gave this to me last night. Maraming salamat sa nabigay po ng flower. Bango. Charing. Mamaya na kayo magsabi ng papansin kasi nag-o-open ako ng gifts. Japan Kama, thank you. Ay, galing to kay Bench. Precious Paula Nicole. I believe. Galing to kay Besh. PPN, I love you. Ay, hindi. Galing to kay Bench. Ah, hindi. Ito yung drawing. It's from Kate. Paano basahin yung name? Susunod. Hi, PPN, I love you so much. Thank you for loving us. Keep on shining, my PPN. Deserve mo lahat. Ano to? Lahat. Mahal kita. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you. Ang galing. Alam ko mata ko to. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you, Kate. Display natin ito sa drag room. Robin. Kasi ito alam ko ito bagay. Bigay ito ni Bench kagabi. Yes. Ito ay ito ay pabango. Freshener. Tapos soothing gel, aloe vera with vitamin E. Thank you, Bench. I late na Bench. I remember last night. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Next. Ano to? Kyla from Myra. Thank you, Miss Myra. Miss Myra pa to? Myra? Ng ano to? Martha Claims. Miss Myra, sa'yo pa to galing? Oo, kasi ito nagsak. Parang konti na kasi ito nagsakan ng Kyla. So, I believe ito ay galing kay Miss Myra. Dear Kyla, maraming salamat for 2024. Salamat for being an inspiration simula nang nakilala kita. I always pray that you will get what your heart desires because napakabuti, napaka-precious mong tao. I will forever be a fan. I will forever pay your kindness forward. Oh, love you. Merry Christmas, Myra. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Oh, thank you, thank you. Alam niyo ba, hindi ako sanay masyado bukas ng gifts. Simula ng drag race, sobrang dami ko na buksan ng gifts. Kaya maraming salamat po. Kilig-kilig ako. Oh, uy. Mga precious hearts. Ang cute. Tapos, red earrings. Siyempre, kasi red color siya ng heart. So, favorite color ko, red. Uy, grabe, ang dami. May pins pa. Thank you. May earrings ulit na red. May earrings pa na red. Thank you. Ano to? May heart pa ulit. Ay, grabe, ang dami. May pin ulit. Robin, no? That's not. Hindi. Tapos, merong nails. Wow. Na super gandang red. Wow. From Nail Salon. Ang ganda. Thank you. Pati yung box may heart. Uy, thank you. Grabe. Ang saya. Ay, ito yung tattoo ko. Ito yung tattoo ko. Here. Thank you. Tapos, this is how you find your way. Oh, my book. Thank you. Dear Stella, 1 page per day, 1 day at a time. Start with page 23. Love you, Myra. Thank you for the soft, brave, stubborn hearts. You are worthy. Thank you. Ah! I love it. Hindi ako masyadong palabasa, pero yeah, I will read it. Another earrings na red. Thank you. Cute. Oh, hindi yan toy. Robin, no. Si Robin. Micah. Para kanyo to. Para kay Robin ba to? Ay, hindi. Ay, oo. Para kay Robin nga ito. Thank you. Galing ba to kay Myra? Myra, galing ba sa'yo to? Ha? Tingnan. Tingnan natin kung kaya siya. Parang malaki siya. Pero tingnan natin. Light me up. Ano to? Gusto niya sa kanya. O, yan. That's yours. Kasi it's for Robin. Ayan. Santa Robin. Santa Robin. Da 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 da. Robin. Thank you, Robin. Ang cute mo na ako. Ang cute mo. Cute niya. Mahilig siya. So, mamaya kakainin niya na yan. So, paano to? No. Oh. Merry Christmas po! Patagalin mo natin kasi kilala kita. Mamaya kakainin mo na to. No. Later. So, the other gifts are for Tita Dali. Wow. Tumay ka. To Robin. Yan, tama nga. Email. From email. Saan yun? Uy, wala. Nawawaling from email. Pero, thank you. Robin, no! Next. Ay, ang cute nito. Look, kasi best right wing precious. Oh, thank you. From Vanna. Kabalot pa ng di ba yung gift wrapper. Yung mga mukha kami dito. Oh, cute. So, thank you. Ano to? This is a pillow or yeah, ang cute ng wrapper. Okay. Thank you. Ano to? Kumot? Kumot? At kumot. For yeah, thank you, Vanna. Ang cute nito. Mamaya natin gamitin yung mga yan. Next. Nagpadala rin pala ng gifts ang Nivea family. Ayan. Thank you, Nivea. Merry Christmas. Nagpadala rin sa akin ng PLDT. So, andito rin yung iba. Video starts with you. Dear Precious, as the year comes to a close, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for your incredible support and collaboration with Nivea. Your creativity, dedication, and efforts have played a big part in making this year a success. And we truly couldn't have done it without you. Oh, thank you po! To show our appreciation, here's a little something to keep you glowing this holiday season. Thank you for helping us share your Nivea story in such an impactful way. Wishing you a joyful and restful holiday season. With gratitude, Nikki, Kat, Ina, Marvin, Annie, brand marketing, and thank you so much. Pala sila mga bagong products. I think this is new. Acne Repair Spot Serum. Thank you. Meron ding Acne Oil Clear from Nivea. And there's again new deodorant. Bago to. Or baka bagong packaging, pero thank you. Ay, ano to? Yes, Kaido Rose Lights. Uy, ang daming bagong products ng Nivea. Thank you, Nivea! Himalayan salt pa. Thank you. Alam mo, sobrang generous sa akin ng Nivea. Kaya maraming salamat. I keep using it kasi totoong effective siya. Totoong bait sila. Naniniwala siya sa akin. Thank you, Nivea. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas. Kasi ito pala ito naman ng PLDT, camera, speaker, diba? What are those? Oh yeah. Ay, mga pagdato ng Nivea. Ay, ng LDT. Thank you po. Next in line. Merry Christmas from Ayan. Uy, thank you, Ayan. Ano to? Uy, Tumblr. From Starbucks. Thank you, Ayan. Cute. Next is from Weekend ito galing. It's from Charles and Keith. Thank you po. May picture pa namin. Oh. Thank you. Yung pa yung pinambalot mo, hindi pupunitin kayo mga mukha natin. Yan, napunit tuloy. Thank you. Ano to? Okay, hi Ma! Kamusta ka? I love you so much. Yung pictures above is yung pics natin from your shoot. Oh! Is this MJ? Jen Yuna. Kamusta ka? Congrats sa bago mong movie. Ooh, shit! Super excited na kayo panood. Thank you for being so kind to your fans. Marami kaming mamahal sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. Huwag pababayaan ng health. For sure, marami pang blessings and dadating sa'yo. Mahal kita always. PS, pangarap ko pang mabatukan nyo. Love you, man. Hashtag Team PPN Forever. Bata mo. IG is Jen Yuna. Thank you, Jen Yuna. Love you. So, I think this is a wallet. Or a bag. Oh, wallet nga. Clutch bag. Ito yung mga di ba? Pang mga shalit-shalit. Lagyan ng phone. Pwede yung phone dito, di ba? Ay. Thank you. Uy, ang ganda. Ang nice niya. Oh! I love it. So, it's a wallet and a purse, I think. Kasi may, ang tawag nun, may ganun. Basta may ganun. Thank you! Thank you, Jen. Tignan mo na sa box. Alam niyo, ang dami kong sling bag. Sling bag yan siya. Sa sling bag. And pwede rin siyang wallet, actually. Dati medyo bagas-bagas ako, nag-wallet ako ng ganyang kalaki. For yun lang, for the shalat-shalat lang tignan. May masabing may malaking wallet, pero wala naman laman. Okay, next is from Jane. Thank you, Jane. So, ito ay... What are these? Tea? Tito, no? Tea nga. Amoy kape. Kape! Uy, thank you. Ang bango. Salamat po. Ang cute kasi may design ko sa mga Christmas channel yung bubble tea. Thank you. I love this. I will drink it for sure. Thank you. Next is from Trisha. Oy, Trisha, I love you. Thank you. Ano to? Ang cute naman ng Thank you, Trisha. Ang cute action din. Ang cute ng purse. At saka ang cute ng gifts. Thank you. Love you, Trisha. Maraming salamat. So I so love it. Thank you. Daming chocolates and food. Ito ba, nagbukas na ako. Baka may mga panis or masira. Next is from... haba. Hello, my PPN. Thank you for showing us all the talent, ganda, and kagagawan. Fuck you kay Angel. I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to you as you are part of my first drag fangirling experience with my small gift. Ito lang ang student pa eh. Uy, sana ma-experience mo. Sana ma-appreciate mo. Of course, I love you so much. Thank you, Season 1 Queen. Love, Eska. At Erika Escarlan. Thank you. Thank you. Uy, alam mo, kahit student nagbibigay ng gift, super na-appreciate ko. Thank you. I love you too. At alam mo, favorite ko, Pringles. Hindi naman favorite na favorite, pero I love Pringles. Hindi siya nawawala kapag nag-grocery. Kasi sa mga to-go ko na to-go, na kailangan meron. To check pala. Thank you, Eska. Kit-kit niya. And next. Precious Ponder. Uy, thank you. Kayo na galing to. Salamat. Ang galing. Kamukha ko nga talaga siya. Para kamukha ni Nika. Para kamukha rin ni Mrs. Na kamukha ni Shawarma. Pero thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I-like it sa drag room. Marami akong mga ganito, mga fan art. Maraming salamat. I love it. I love it. Alam nyo, ito yung mga minsan nagre-remind talaga sa akin. Pinakita ko sila na ang dami nagmamahal sa akin. Thank you. Nag-take kayo ng time to, you know, even draw me. Thank you. Sabi ni Angel Pacquiao, pakilin siya kamo. Uy, may card pa. Oh, thank you. Basahin natin. Ito pa yung nagbigay nung nung drawing. Ay, Kiana, kung nakikisa dito, papakilin din kita. Charing, love you. Love you, Kiana. Uy, may bracelet. Precious pala. Uy, thank you. Okay, life is precious and you're the precious in my life. Love you so much, best queen. Lay Ting Pan PLN. Kathleen. Mama P. Thank you with all my heart for this joy, love, and precious memories you've brought into my life. Your kindness and commitment to what you do are so inspiring, and I'm incredibly proud to support someone as wonderful and talented as you. You've made a lasting impact on my heart, and I'll always be here cheering you on from wherever I am. I found you at the perfect time when I needed you the most. Thank you for being my light during my darkest moments and for helping me forget my battles, even just for a while. Hindi ko po ma-express kung gaano ako ka-thankful sa iyo. And here's my simple gift for you. It's not that expensive, pero I hope you like it po. I also gave the Divine Divas the same bracelets, each with their own name. Wala yung Nicole kasi naging ipido ko na anak mo na me. It's my first time meeting you, and I don't know when or where I'll meet you again, but please remember me po. Don't forget, Kathleen. Uy, Kathleen, thank you. Alam ko kayo nagsasorry sa gifts kasi kahit small, big, pare-pareho yung pinaghirapan, pinag-isipan. Kaya maraming salamat. Don't be sorry. Don't say sorry. Kasi hindi talaga namin to in-expect yung magbibigay kayo ng gifts. Alam mo, pumunta lang kayo sa shows namin. Maalala nyo lang kami. Manood lang kayo ng live. Ayan, ng IG live. Thankful na kami. Kaya thank you. And thank you, Kathleen, for this. I love you. Yes, I like it. I love it. I will wear it now. Kaya ano ko masuot. Ayan. Thank you. Mamaya anak ka na daw. Alright naman taong yan. Next. Oy, thank you. Ang cute. Saan galing to? Thank you. Oy, ang cute naman ito. Oy, I like this. Kanina ito galing. Basta thank you po kayo man ito galing. Thank you, I like it. Ang cute niya. Ang galing, oh. Para kang nasa garden talaga. Yeah. Tulips. Yeah, thank you sa tulips. Thank you po sa pa-tulips. May belt dito. Parang kay baby cakes to, ah. May belt dito. Parang kailangan kong belt na to. Parang kay baby cakes yan. Pero yeah, thank you sa mga nagbigay. Meron pa dito, oh. Kaya ito galing. Bracelet. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute, oh. Heart. Ha? Sige na nalagyan mo. Ay, nalala ko to. May bigay sa amin pero nakalimutan ko anong name niya. Thank you. May flower din. Thank you. Kita nyo, apaka ano nyo, napaka-creative ninyo magbigay ng gifts. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you po sa mga nagbigay ng gifts. Ito po ay akin ba to? Para sa akin ba to? Ulitin ko na. Ay. Oh, Oh, alam ko to. Nakita ko na to. Ay, thank you sa nagbigay po nito ha. Maraming salamat. Ito ay may picture namin ni Mama together. Nasa loob siya. And yes, gusto ko rin po. I love this. Stop ko na rin. Pag sinilip yung bilog nito, may picture namin ni Mama. Thank you, Bautog! Masuot. Merry Christmas, Angel. Napakabait na ako sa'yo. Ayoko na ng away kasi I've changed. Napagtanto ko na pagtatantuin ko na ang tanto. Ayoko na, huwag nating awayin si Angel. Mabait na tayo. Hindi ko siya masuot. Sige na. Peace be with you, Angel. O, huwag na tayo mag-ganun kasi bad yun. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, nasuot ko na. Thank you. Ano pa siyang kasama na? What is this? T-shirt! Sure. Yan natin. Ano? 100 pesos. Uy, thank you ha. May nag-tip. Love you, Angel. Ayan, thank you. Uy, ang cute! Ano to? Dynamic Happy Trails. Trails. Thank you. Thank you. I love it. Meron wala nakalagay na yun galing, pero thank you. Hoy, tumigil na ako. Grabe kayo sa akin. Medyo ako pinagbibintangan. Love you, Angel! Next is from... Wala nakalagay din. Ayen. Kay Ayen din. Thank you. Anong size ko sa shirt? Medium and large, I think. Medium to large. Thank you. Ano to? Ay, bracelet ulit. Hindi pa natin yung kamay ko ng bracelet. Thank you. Ano nakalagay dito? Wait lang. Ito buksan. Ayan. Thank you. Paano ba't sinus? Ay, nasira ko yata. Ano ito? Huh? Okay. Alam ko pa nasusuot to. Pero thank you. Figure out ko later. Salamat. Salamat. Di ko alam kung paano siya isusuot eh. Pero later, figure out ko. Yeah. The universe loves you. Don't forget to tag us when you share your snaps on Instagram. Dear Kismet. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Next is... Uy! Thank you. Nakita ko to. It's from Arian. Galing to sa Vice Comedy Club. Yan. Show namin ng Musli Akla. Thank you, Arian. Cute. Natagyan ulit natin mga fan art sa ating drag room. Mamaya pasilip ko yung drag room. So, makita drag room ko. Uy, ang cute. Another bracelet. From, thank you for making me happy and being a part of my pahinga. I love you. Summer 22. Okay, galing. Ooh! Red agate. It's a powerful nature brings emotional stability, enhance self-reliance and self-confidence, and protect yourself from evils. To further enhance your power, it repels a low level of energy that sidetracks your life while bringing the positive energy of sunshine. Ooh. Thank you. Anong i-reveal? Okay. Hi, P. Thank you so much. Super, warning. Wala na, warning na lang. Super okay itong letter na to. Sorry agad. Pero, since ito naman ikaw na talaga, fave, pahinga ko as a tired med tech intern pa ako nun. And literal nakada breakdown and burnout na experience ko. Yung videos mo yung pinapanood ka after. Uy, thank you. Di pa talaga kaya ng script ko nun manood ng live shows. Pampagood vibes and it really works for me. Aside sa napaka-talented and funny mo, sobrang bait mo pa, kaya pag nag-aachika, na-achichika kita kapag nag-chichika kita sa friends ko, di drag fans, sasabi ko na ang sarap-sarap mong mahalin and supportan. From the start, I was always hoping you'd win. Unang nakahook sa akin is kasi from Bicol ka, and you never failed to show kung gaano kagaling sa art of drag ever since. I'm very happy na napanood na kita in person. Second na na-meet kita kasi sa'yo ko talaga na masasabi na di totoo yung never meet your heroes. Kaya gusto ko rin ng tattoo from you kasi reminder na rin yun sa sarili ko to keep on fighting and na maging mabait lagi. You also motivated me to work hard to achieve my goals. You really deserve to win, not just in the RPH but also in life. I'm also rooting for you and supporting you kahit online if di kaya ng schedule ko. Ooh, sorry, as a tired med student na ako ngayon. I love you so much and I hope nakapagpahinga ka pa rin kahit lagari kayo lagi. 3 jazz. Ang ganda-ganda ng Kiss It Better. Sumila naman please. Ooh. Kiss it better, baby. Drag room reveal. Sige, mamaya. Thank you, Jazz. I will keep this and I will wear this soon. Cute nyo naman mag-gift. Thank you. This is from Claudine. Looking forward na magka-gift for you kaso I don't know how. Yes, I may. Punta ka ng show namin kasi. Ano to? PM. Nails! Oy! Thank you. Press on nails. Thank you. Do it yourself. 24 pieces. Salamat! Salamat, Claudine. Ang cute. Cute man. Hanggang kami sa kita dalawa. Thank you. Okay, meron pa. Oh, may letter P in my heart. That's me. That's my mark. Thank you. Gusto ko nasa Cebu. Pag nagkita tayo, pupunta ako dyan sa Cebu. Thank you. May bago ako mga shirts. Ay, yun na pala. Hi. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you po. Ako, grabe kayo. Nagkumagastos talaga kayo, ha? And thank you. Ang kaling mag-super sa nails. Hindi ko ang size ng nails mo. Hindi ko alam yung size ng nails ko. Sorry. Pero maliit lang naman ang mga nails ko, eh. Normal lang siya. Thank you. Because you love Japan and sushi. I love you. Thank you. Sweet nyo, ha? Grabe. Konti na lang. Okay, next. It's from H&M. From Eli. Eli. Parang alam ko na laman ito. Parang chicharon yata. Ay, hindi. Sino Eli ito? Eli. Thank you. May letter. Ha? Kung malabigan to, ah. Thank you. Lucky color ko next year. Thank you. Ano to? Scan me. Paano ko to i-scan? Sige later. Scan natin to later. There's a letter. Merry Christmas. Ay. Ayan. Accept my little Christmas gift for you. Suot mo to please. May chicharon din para ma-high blood ka ulit. Sabi ko na eh. Si Eli nga to. Thank you, Eli. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to my favorite person. I'm so grateful that I met you. You're my biggest plot twist. I'm always here to support you. P, ikaw lang ang number 1 sa puso ko. I love you forever and ever. Hanggang mamatay. Love, Eli. Thank you, Eli. Thank you. Oh, Robin, bakit? Thank you. Iba pinagsama-sama nila sa isang lalagyan eh. Pero thank you. Ano to? Wala nakalagay na name. This is Bini Aya. Na may perma ni Aya. Wow! Thank you. Salamat. Hi, Bini Aya. I miss you. Tapos ito naman padala mo sa kanya, may pirma ko din. Charing. Nasa Watsons. Andito yung Watsons. Thank you. Next. Large bench. Saan to galing? Alam mo, iba halo-halo na. Sorry po. Kung naman to galing, thank you. Meron po ulit damit. Ayan, may sando. Muscle shirt. Thank you. Ay, may chocolate. Adya ka. Thank you. Ito galing. Mavivi. Mavi. Hi, Precious Ponico. I love you. Naiiyak ha. Alam ko galing mo lang sa Japan, but hopefully ma-enjoy mo pa rin itong konting, snacks. Thank you for giving me so much joy. Like if mag-live ka mo, Thank you for giving me so much joy. Like, if mag-live ka, watch ako talaga. You're the warmest queen I ever met. And first time ko mag-meet and greet yung hug and pag-ask mo ng name ko yung nagpakalma sa akin. Talaga. Again, love na love kita, Mavi. At Mavivi. Thank you, Mavi. Salamat. Ito yung mga snacks. Sa ito lahat galing. Tama ba ko? Kasi alam ko hindi. May mga naghalo dito. Ayan, may ganito. Thank you. Salamat. Sa iba to galing lahat. Pero, yeah, I think naghahalo-halo yung iba. Pero, yes, thank you. You're strong. Thank you. Good, yeah. I think ito yung galing sa'yo lahat. Ooh, may ramen. May ano ulit. Sunny Angel. Sana. Kasi sa Sunny Angel ko yun. Dalawa na sila. Parang pagkain naman tong Sunny Angel. Ang cute! Ang cute! Thank you! Ano, mili ka mo dun sa box, ha? Salamat, salamat! Thank you! Ayan, ito yung mga chocolates. Uy, alam niyo ba, favorite ko to sa Japan? Tong Bourbon. Super sarap nito. Like, this is my wow. Sobrang sarap na sarap ako dito. Hap. Galing kayo ng Japan. Thank you. Oh. Hi mama, kain mama P. Personal ko and PPN, especially Boss Rodolfo. I'll use every names that I can use. Pero sa isang tao pa rin naman maglalantang letter ito. It's to you. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for saving me sa time na I was in my very lowest situation in my life. That I even ran to you and you reply na laban lang, Jana, para pray ka palagi. Don't even know how that simple word can save me. You're the only reason, the only person I talk about my problems, and I won't lie if I say you saved me and changed my life. You've been my comfort zone for the past few months until now. I am really thankful that I get to know this side ng community, and thank you for doing drag. And always remember that we are all here for you and you inspire us all with your uniqueness, advocacy, passion, talent, kindness, and with your precious heart. You brighten everyone's world just by being kind and humble. You never step on someone's foot. Never look down on them. You always let others shine, and you make sure yourself shine when it's your time to shine. You also proven yourself na yourself na nag-doubt sa'yo na you really deserve the winning and the crown. I admire you for being such a person that you are right now, and you deserve every happiness in this world. I know that your mom is looking down to you from the heavens so proudly. I hope you never change. I hope you continue the things that makes you happy. I will never get tired to support you. I'm always present. Some milestones or non-milestones, happiness or sadness, I'm still here and always gonna be here, present, and will never get tired to defend you. Every person who will discriminate or disrespect you, who will love and long. I love you. Wish you good health and good fortune, and always take care of yourself. Okay. Disclaimer: this is my first ever sketch portrait on paper. Oh, Jana Rashane Santos, aka Jaja. Letter given to the person who never creases to make me smile. First one code. May Sagada. Thank you, Jana. I love it. Display natin yan. Next week, konti na lang. May precious heart talaga siya. Magpa-solo meet and greet ka naman. Sure! Tingnan natin, sige. So, this gift ay galing kay Angel. Charing! Have a holy Christmas, boss. Looking forward to see you wear this shirt because I think it looks bagay on you. Marte! I love you. Thank you for doing our request na mag-fiancé ka. That means a lot to me. See you next year. My strawberry hihi. Pwede pakisabi kaya kumain kay Robin. Nahabol ka na lang gift sa Christmas party. Ha! Okay! Hi, Jarek. Hi, babe. Basta? Yes, magkaroon tayo ng meet and greet soon. Magkakaroon tayo ng Christmas party. Team Precious and Precious Loves. And sa mga gustong sumama sa atin. Thank you, Angel. Sino may second record? Wow, thank you. Ganda. Alam mo, something na in-love ako sa mga black shirts. Black sando, black shirts, black polo, black jacket. Parang medyo siguro nagmamature na yung taste ko. Pero hindi, I'm not saying na I don't like all the gifts. Pero thank you lately, medyo na lagi ako bumibili ng mga black. Kaya thank you, Angel. Bango. Bango naman. You'll never go wrong with that. Ay, ito yung chicharon. Chicharon! Thank you, Eli, for the high blood. Charing, Eli talaga. Ano kasi baby cakes? Okay, last two. Oh. What's up? Lulagot. Sharing. Feeling ko ito naghalo-halo na rin. Pero ito galing kay Eyes. Thank you, Eyes. Kakasabi ko na gusto ko ng mga black. Tapos may white. Char lang. Love you, Eyes. Shops and Butter Girls. Oh, yung cute. Ang cute naman ito. Pero I love it. White with a heart right there. Thank you, Eyes. Si Eyes ni Pipoy ito eh. Eyes ni Pipoy. Thank you. Uy. May ano ka pa. Nakakainis. May kitchen baby cakes. I love it. Cute naman na ito. Paano kayo karoon dito? Hindi ko ito pinapost Sa phone ko lang ito meron na. Bakit kami ganito? Paano ka nagkaroon nito? Robin. Ano to? Letter ba to? Hindi naman to letter. Wala namang nakasulat. Paano ka nagkaroon nito? Hoy! At dalawa pa. Yung isa, pinost ko to. Nakapost to. Pero yung isa, paano to? Cute! I love it! Asan pa si Baby Cakes? Hindi reply yun. But thank you. May nagbigay din ng flower. Thank you. And ano to? Bracelet ba to? Robin, stop. Shh. Bracelet pa no? Yeah. Bracelet. Ang cute nito. Ang cute nito. Keychain talaga. Paano kaya ito nakita? Anyway. What is this? Perfume? Encanto? No. Pero nakalagay ko kayo galing, but thank you. Thank you! Sino may bigay nito? Maraming salamat. I love it. Wait, ano siya? Ano naman ito? Uy, thank you. May kwintas. Maraming salamat. Ay, ano to? Bangles. Ay, hindi siya bangles. Hoop ring. Hoop earring. Hoop earring to eh. Hoop earring. Ano to? Alam mo ba, kay Micah Cho ba galing yung mga picture? Ano kaya nakuha yun? Parang cute. Thank you. I love it. Uy! Bakit? Shh! No. Shh. Thank you. Totoo ba? Nakapost sa Twitter? Totoo? Totoo ba? Close mo na yun. Anyway. I love it. Kilig me. Thank you, PUP. Oh, galing ng PUP. Thank you, PUP. Ay, PUP din na shirt. Thank you. Ang dami kong bagong shirts. Bakit yung mga cutics dito? Galing to sa PUP. Caronia. Thank you. Tapos ano to? Chiffon, bare conditioner, chiffon. Ano to? Huh? Alam mo, mukha siyang juice. Mukha siyang tea. Ay, parang mga ewan ko, milk juice, something. Conditioner pala siya sa buhok. Thank you. I appreciate and thank you so much po sa mga nagbigay. Ito, ang dami kong kalat dito sa bahay. Ayan, tapos na. OMG. Thank you so much. Pakadaming gifts. Pensa agad ako Thank you. Teka lang, tatayo ako. Napagod ako sa upo ko. Drag room reveal. Sige, soon natin nire-reveal yung drag room. Iiwanin natin ng content yun. So, thank you sa mga nabigyan ng gifts. Ayun, dami kong kalat. Paano kaya to? But, thank you. Maraming salamat po sa mga nabigyan ng gifts. Alam nyo, maalala nyo lang ako. Sobrang gift na yun sa akin. Pero yung magbigay kayo ng talagang time para pumunta sa shop, mamili, mag-isip. Kahit ako mismo, to be honest, hindi ako magaling magbigay ng gifts. Hindi ako magaling mag-isip ng gifts kasi, I don't know, hindi talaga ako sanay magbigay ng gifts. And thank you kasi binibigyan niyo talaga ng effort and time na maiabot sa akin yung regalo. And sa mga nagsabi na gusto magbigay ng gifts, let's just wait for the moment na ako ay pumunta sa inyong lugar o ikaw ay pupunta sa Maynila para manood ng aking show. But for the meantime, please do enjoy my art, my contents, ayan, yung inspection, nandiyan namin na lagi. Pwede yung panoorin siya ulit lang. Ibang vlogs ko, ulit nyo lang. Kung nag-miss nyo ako, panoorin nyo lang yan. And kapag dumating yung time na magkita tayo, and then let's be grateful that, alam mo, we waited for that time. And thank you for all those people na talagang nag-effort, alam mo, nag-iipon, na bumili ng ticket at bumili pa ng gifts. Alam nyo, I'm so grateful sa inyong lahat. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. I'm very happy. I'm very thankful and grateful that I have all of you in my life. Hindi ko man to parang in-expect, but I really really appreciate all of you sa mga binibigay ninyong oras, time, tweet, comment, story, lahat na binibigay nyo ng heart. Maraming salamat. Basta, yun lang yun. Maraming salamat and mahal ko kayo. And I can wait to see all of you soon. Ako po ay mag-organize ng Christmas party for all of us sa mga Team Precious Loves na pwedeng umattend announcements soon. Antay lang tayo kay Doc Micah Chu. Oo, ang ating president ng Team Precious at sa Precious Love si Aja. Basta yun, I will see you again soon. For the meantime, magbakasyon tayo, magpahinga. Mahaba-haba ang ipinagod ko. Sabi ko, parang 2 months na akong puyat. So, medyo parang deserve ko yata magpahinga muna for the next couple of days. And, yeah, maraming salamat kasi hindi kayo nagsasawa sa akin. And to more years and to more shows to come with you guys. Thank you. Please always remember that I'm very, very grateful that kayo ay nasa buhay ko at ako ay nasa buhay ninyo. It feels correct and sana huwag kayo magsasawa. I will see you soon. Merry Christmas, belated Merry Christmas and a happy New Year. God bless you all and peace be with you. Love you. Bye-bye.